He had been warned from the moment he entered the marble halls of the royal court. Do not speak. Do not draw attention. Simply deliver the documents and leave. Kale bowed his head, clutching the sealed packet to his chest as he followed the steward through echoing corridors. He was a commoner, a translator's apprentice, summoned only because the master was ill. His place was silence. His place was invisibility. But silence, he discovered, was not the same as indifference. The queen's daughter sat on a cushioned bench near the dais, her golden hair half-braided, her eyes wandering the hall with the distant look of one left adrift in a sea of voices she could not hear. Kale recognized it instantly. His younger sister had the same look, the same isolation carved into her small face whenever others spoke over her. When Kale handed over the packet to the steward and turned to leave, his gaze fell once more on the princess. She noticed him. Their eyes met. She lifted her hand hesitantly, fingers twitching in half-formed movements, gestures no one else around seemed to understand. Without thinking, Kale signed back. Hello. Her eyes widened. She signed again, faster now, as if afraid the moment would vanish. You understand me? Yes, he answered with his hands. I learned from my sister. The transformation was immediate. Her face, once blank and watchful, bloomed with light. She laughed, soundless, but radiant, and signed questions so quickly Kale struggled to keep up. Who was he? Did he live nearby? Could he show her more signs? He answered clumsily, but every gesture pulled her closer out of silence, and her joy filled the air more powerfully than any words could. A soft sound broke the moment. Kale froze, realizing the queen herself had risen from her throne. He bowed deeply, certain punishment was coming. Instead, he heard a choked breath. When he dared look up, the queen's cheeks were wet with tears. Her hands trembled at her sides, uncertain, yearning. She has never spoken so freely, the steward whispered in awe. The queen crossed the dais, knelt beside her daughter, and signed with halting, unsteady fingers, I am proud of you. The princess burst into tears and embraced her mother. Kale stood forgotten at the edge of the hall, heart pounding, until the queen turned to him. Do not stay quiet anymore, she said through her tears. Stay, and teach us to speak with her.